In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use transitions in PowerPoint 2007, step by step. If you want to make your presentations look more professional, smoother, and more engaging, adding transitions between slides is a simple but powerful feature you should definitely be using. I'll walk you through how to apply a transition to a single slide and how to apply transitions to multiple slides at once. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important tips. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint guides. Let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint 2007 presentation. Once your presentation is open, look at the left-hand side of the screen where you see the slide thumbnails. This panel shows all the slides in your presentation. If you want to apply a transition to just one slide, simply click on that slide in the left panel. When you click on it, it will be highlighted, which means it is selected. Whatever transition you apply next will affect only this selected slide. Now, if you want to apply a transition to multiple slides at the same time, here's what you need to do. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard. While holding Control, click on each slide that you want to include. You'll notice that each slide you click becomes highlighted. This allows you to select multiple slides that are not necessarily next to each other. If you want to select a continuous group of slides, you can click the first slide in the group, then hold the Shift key and click the last slide in that group. PowerPoint will automatically select all the slides in between. But for most cases, using Control to manually select specific slides works perfectly. Once you have selected the slide or slides you want to work with, go to the top menu and click on the Transitions tab. In PowerPoint 2007, this tab contains all the available transition effects that control how one slide changes to the next during your presentation. Inside the Transitions tab, you will see a row of transition styles displayed. However, not all transitions are visible right away. To see more options, look for the small arrow on the right side of the transition gallery. Click on that arrow to expand the full list of transitions. When you click the arrow, a drop-down menu will appear showing many different transition effects such as fade, wipe, push, split, and more. As you hover your mouse over each transition, PowerPoint will show you a live preview of how that transition will look on your selected slide. This makes it very easy to test different styles before choosing one. To apply a transition, simply click on the one you like. As soon as you click it, the transition will be applied to the selected slide or slides. You can click different transitions to compare them until you find the one that fits your presentation style. After selecting a transition, you can also adjust additional settings in the Transitions tab. For example, you can change the transition speed to make it slow, medium, or fast. You can also choose whether the slide advances on mouse click or automatically after a certain number of seconds. These small adjustments can make a big difference in how smooth and professional your presentation feels. If you want to apply the same transition to all slides in your presentation, there is also an Apply to All button in the Transitions tab. Simply select one slide with the transition you like, then click Apply to All, and PowerPoint will instantly add that transition to every slide. And that's it. That's how you use transitions in PowerPoint 2007, whether you're applying them to one slide or multiple slides at once. It's a simple feature, but when used correctly, it can really enhance your presentation and keep your audience engaged. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.